TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tarani. Thanks for watching us today. We're coming to you from Interrupt 2011 in Las Vegas, Nevada. And on our program is Dan Tuckler, the VP of Product Management at IBM. Dan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Rich. It's good to be here.
So which area of IBM do you represent?
I represent system networking, and we are bringing networking products to the market in combination with IBM's other product lines.
So you recently purchased Blade Network Technologies. I'm curious, could you tell me a little bit about that?
Sure. So I came in as part of the Blade Networks acquisition. I was working with Blade in product management. IBM has had a long relationship with Blade Networks. As a vendor, we supplied Ethernet products for the Blade server environments and grew our technologies in a way that's very complementary to what IBM was trying to do. And so IBM saw a great fit.
So you've got a demo here at Interop on OpenFlow, and you're working with NEC on that. Can you tell us a little bit about OpenFlow and what the demo is about?
Sure. OpenFlow is a very exciting new technology. It's got the potential to really shape how networks are built. It's kind of in the early days, so people are trying to figure out where it fits in the network and what can be done with it. But what it does is abstract out the switching element of the network into two parts. The switch itself, which is moving packets, and the challenge is moving packets very fast with low latency, but separating out from that the control plane into a more common, standardized place in the network where it can control switches from different vendors and provides a lot of other advantages as well.
And what else does it enable?
So it enables a real conceptual abstraction of the network. So you can draw networks, people call them software-defined networks. You can create a network as an overlay to an existing physical network, and you don't have to get so caught up with the underlying nuts and bolts of the network. Instead, you can look at what is the business application you're trying to solve, what's the right kind of network topology you need to overlay to get that done, and then use OpenFlow as a vehicle to get that done.
Now, why did IBM choose to work with NEC on this project?
Well, this is a long-standing relationship between Blade Networks. As an independent company, we provided leading-edge Ethernet technology to IBM and also other server vendors, including NEC. So we've had a great relationship over the years. We saw no reason not to continue that relationship.
Now, why is IBM part of the Open Networking Foundation?
IBM has also got a long track record of adhering to standards. Standards bring a lot of value to our customers. So they don't want to get trapped into proprietary solutions that might lead to a dead end. Open Network Foundation is promoting the OpenFlow standard, and so for IBM it's a natural fit.
And so there will be IBM OpenFlow products?
There will. We aren't making any pre-announcements at this time, but you should expect some kind of OpenFlow products during the course of this year.
And how do I learn more about what you're doing there?
You can learn more on the website that talks about our products on the IBM website, ibm.com, under the networking section, and there's information on OpenFlow as well as the rest of our products.
So in terms of the competitive environment, you've got companies like Cisco and HP in the market. I'm curious, how are you seeing them in the market just competitively?
You know, it's great to have strong competitors. We feel like we have a lot more to bring to the data center and to our customers, but we love a good fair fight in the marketplace. If you look around the Interop show floor, you see a lot of the same theme, which is integration of servers, storage, and networking, right, and building more integrated pods and integrated data center offerings.
Right.
IBM's best positioned to do that. Now with the addition of networking to IBM and this great tradition of leading server products as well as strong storage products, we're really best positioned, and as our customers have been telling us, they expect great system engineering from IBM.
Right.
There's a very long track record back to the mainframe days, taking all the pieces and making them work together well. And this is just doing the same thing in an open way, and that ties in with OpenFlow as well, you know, taking open standards and building the world's best system engineered solutions for the data center.
Now, speaking of the mainframe, another big topic here at the show is cloud, 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 everywhere you go. It's unbelievable how much I'm hearing it. I mean, your company invented the cloud, really. I mean, if you think about the mainframe, isn't it amazing to see where it's come?
I've never thought of it in those terms, but yeah, there's a huge amount of commonality there. And being able to offer services in the cloud, it's solving business problems for our customers, and that's what we love to do.
Now, certainly in my early days of programming in IBM System 360, we had a green terminal, and so the cloud access...
Remember those.
Yeah, that cloud access is very different from the cloud access that we have today from like a Salesforce.com or someone like that.
Absolutely.
But certainly the concept is exactly the same. And
a lot of the technology is similar. You look at IBM's been a leader in virtualization. You look back to the mainframe days, and that's where virtualization started. So we feel like we're very, very well positioned. IBM leads the world in patents. It's a very innovative company. It has a great tradition of pushing the frontier and solving the business problems with great new technology. So, cloud, it might be a new business model, but a lot of the technology is similar to what's been around for a while.
And where's the headquarters of what you're doing, your area?
Blade Networks is based in Santa Clara, California.
Okay.
IBM is all over the world, so it's a great experience to go to these different sites and meet these excellent IBM people that are just a pleasure to work with.
Yeah, our TMC headquarters is in Norwalk, Connecticut. I guess maybe 45 minutes from the headquarters of IBM, the Somers campus up there, I believe it is.
I'll have to visit when I'm in the neighborhood.
Armonk
and Somers, yeah.
Yeah, that whole complex. So yeah, thanks for being on the program.
Thanks for inviting me. It's a pleasure.